Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, no more secrets. Excitement is building up day by day for Apple's upcoming smartphone launch. Here is everything about the future iPhone 17 lineup, regarding launch date, prices, new color shades, unique design, larger sizes, top upgrades, specs, and more. Let's dive into the video for full details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Apple's next generation iPhone 17 series is already creating buzz months before its official launch event. The new series is expected to launch in early September 2025. The future iPhone 17 lineup will include 4 coolest models, including iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the thinnest variant iPhone 17 Air. This time, Apple is making a big change by ditching the Plus variant and introducing the new, Ultra Slim Air version. Let's dive into the details on design, features, camera, and pricing across different markets. Design and sizes. The iPhone 17 Air could grab the spotlight as Apple's slimmest iPhone ever made, just 5.5mm in thickness, with a 6.6-inch display and a unique horizontal camera layout, featuring a single rear lens. The regular iPhone 17 will have a 6.3-inch screen, and a pill-shaped dual-camera setup similar to the iPhone 16. Meanwhile, the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max are expected to sport a fresh design, with aluminium sides and a hybrid aluminium-glass back. Their cameras may be placed in a rectangular horizontal layout, giving the Pro models a new look. All 4 models will retain the action button and camera control button, as introduced in previous iPhone generations. New color options. The iPhone 17 and iPhone 17 Air could arrive in ultramarine, teal, black, pink, and white. The Air may also receive exclusive new shades. Meanwhile, the Pro variants may come in premium shades, like black, silver, white, and a new sky blue color. New cameras and layout. All models may get a 24-megapixel front selfie shooter. The iPhone 17 Air will have a single 48-megapixel main camera, while the regular 17 gets a dual-lens setup, 48-megapixel plus 12-megapixel. The Pro models are rumored to get a triple 48-megapixel camera lens, complete with a tetra-prism lens offering 3.5x optical zoom, 7x lossless zoom, and support for 8K video recording. Expected pricing details. In the United States, the base iPhone 17 will be priced around $899 In Dubai, the basic iPhone 17 variant might retail for approximately $37.99 AED. Expected unpacked launch. Traditionally, as Apple always launches its main flagships every year, Apple is expected to announce the iPhone 17 lineup on Apple's main launch event between September 11th to September 13th, 2025. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.